Welcome, Geometry students class today on this Friday, or this Monday the 6th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to learn some math today. I have a ton of announcements to go over with you guys, so please get out your pens, pencils, calculators, and let's get ready to take some notes. So I'll pause just a second. Please quickly get out your pens, pencils, and let's get ready, paper, and let's get ready to write down a lot of information. Okay, here we go. First of all, there'll be a test on Wednesday, so please make note of that, a test on Wednesday. Here's the schedule for the week very quickly. On Monday today, we're going to go over your quizzes. We're going to take some notes, and you're going to start the review sheet today. All right. On Tuesday, we're going to work on the review sheet the entire class period. On Wednesday, you will take your Chapter 3 test, okay? So on Wednesday, you will take your Chapter 3 test. On Thursday, there'll be notes only, no homework. Notes only, no homework. And Friday will be your core objective test. Let me pause and say this to you guys right now. First of all, your core objective test only counts as a quiz. Number two, rest assured, I do not want to review for this, and I'm not putting a lot of stock in this core objective test quiz grade. Okay, in fact, I want you to come in here Friday and take this thing cold turkey. Okay, and the reason for that is very simple. I want to see what you've really learned on your own without studying. I want to see what you've obtained, or excuse me, I want to see what you've retained and what you've held on to, and I will make sure that that quiz does not lower your average. So before I enter that quiz into the Sycamore account, I will know what your average is, and I will definitely make sure that well, I'll be very fair when I grade that quiz. I'll put it to you that way. Okay, so there's no reason to stress over that test/quiz grade, and to worry about that. Okay, so don't lose any sleep over that core objective test. All right. Okay, moving on. You owe me homework from Friday, which is page 144, numbers 9 through 16, and 19, 23, and 24. So go ahead and get that out. People are still turning in their homework without putting their names on it, so please make sure your names are on it. And go ahead and turn your homework in now at this time. Incomplete. So let's see what we have here. Geometry track 1. Okay. Cody, I'm not even slightly upset at you at all, but you took a makeup test on Friday. I'm not sure what happened there, how that happened, but you took a makeup test from Chapter 2, and you don't owe me a Chapter 2 test. You owe me a quiz, okay? And Miss Frampton has that quiz. I emailed it to her and made sure that she has it. So I need you to take that makeup quiz either today or tomorrow, okay? So keep that in mind. Email me if you have any questions, but that is what you were supposed to take last week, was a quiz, not a test, okay? Alicia, Cody, Aaron, and Emmy, this assignment right here, page 137, you guys owe me that assignment, so please take care of that and get that turned in as soon as possible. Actually by Friday, no later than Friday, or it will be a 0. And then quiz number 3, the average was at 92. Y'all did a really good job on your quiz. 2 of you have not taken it yet, so Emmy and Alicia, you must take your makeup quiz by Friday. And so make sure you schedule that well, with having a geometry test on Wednesday and also a core objective test on Friday. Make sure that you really think ahead and take that makeup quiz at a smart time. Okay, so make sure you take care of that. Okay, continuing on here, let's see what else we have. Incomplete. Today's lesson will cover vectors. Now, vectors are usually used when it comes to solving force types of problems. We will not do any of the word problems in this section. However, in pre-cal, we do cover vectors, and we cover them extensively. So you'll get a lot of that next year if you take pre-cal. The video today is 36 minutes and 41 seconds. So you really need to work on the review sheet on your own tonight at your house a good bit if you're planning on getting the 5 bonus points, okay? Here's the review sheet, and remember, you don't have to do it, but I do want you to work during class the entire time. I don't want you to waste time, okay? You're not to sit there and work on anything else or just talk. So work on the review sheet. If you have a little bit of time today, and definitely during the class period tomorrow, but it does give you 5 bonus points, so keep that in mind, okay? There's the assignment, so I'm going to pause a second while you quickly write. In fact, I'm not going to pause. I'm going to go ahead and keep talking. So write this down quickly as I explain some other things to you, okay? This is the review sheet for your test on Wednesday. Now notice what just popped up on the screen there, guys. You're going to have to be able to prove Theorem 3.6 totally on your own. There's 2 proofs on this test, okay? Now one of the proofs is you have to prove Theorem 3.6, and that's in your notes, so look it up, find it, and study it. You're on your own, okay? Then there's another proof on there that you're going to have to do on your own. It's pretty simple, and I'll be very reasonable when I grade your proofs, okay? But there will be 2 of those on the test, so make sure that you study this one here for sure because it's in your notes, okay? And continue to copy down the review sheet as I continue to talk here, okay? I want to warn you guys that we lost a week to the Wilds, and I was really focused on completing 3 chapters before the 9 weeks was over. And thus, I have not been as tough as I will usually be when it comes to putting fill in the blanks on the test. But that will be changing with chapter 4. And from now on for the rest of the year. So I want to prepare, I will prepare you well for that, but it will be coming. So understand that and be ready for that. Starting with chapter 4, there'll be a lot more fill in the blanks and a lot more memorization than what you've had on the first 3 tests. Okay, so keep that in mind and understand that. Now, please make note of this. Those problems right there, page 150, 11 through 25, and 41 through 44, those problems are from today's notes. Okay, so if you want to work on something that helps you better understand today's notes, those are the problems, okay? Also, here's the name of the video that will help you with your review sheet, okay? Here it is, right there in red. The name of the video is Geometry Track 1, Chapter 3 Review Sheet. Now, I know I'm going really fast, so if you need Miss Frampton to pause the video, that's fine, but make sure you're writing all this stuff down so you have it while you're working on the review sheet tonight at your house if you choose to do that, okay? So let me continue on here. What else do we have? I also want to encourage you to find your mistakes on your quiz by watching this video right there, Geometry Track 1, Quiz Number 3, Corrections. Okay, you don't have to. It's not required, but if you want to know why you missed a problem on the quiz, that would be the video to watch. And by the way, if you want to check my work on your quizzes, each mistake was 5 points off, okay? So check my work if you want to, but each mistake was 5 points off, okay? I think that's it, guys. Have a really good day. Oh, the name of the video, my bad. The name of the video you're going to watch today is simply called Vectors, okay? So that's the video for today that you're going to watch. Vectors. So go ahead and start that now, and then if you have any time at the end of the class period, I would encourage you to start the review sheet and work really well on that. I would also encourage you to work on the review sheet tonight at your house if you have time to, okay? Have a good day, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.